Hello you guys and welcome. Today we're going to be talking about Stitch Fix again. I have done one other video about Stitch Fix and I really like this company. So I've gotten 2 Stitch Fix boxes in the past and those I paid for with my own money. This video, Stitch Fix actually let me pick out a few items with their Freestyle option, and I'm going to show you guys what I picked out. But first I kind of want to talk to you guys how you can get either the Fix or the Freestyle. So like I said, I've gotten 2 of the Fixes in the past and I loved them. So the Fix is where there's a stylist that picks out all the items for you and they send them to you and you try them on and you keep what you want and send back what you don't want. You go on there and you fill out like a style quiz. So it's really cute. Like they'll show you different outfits and they'll say, would you wear this? Would you not wear this? So you do a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and then that kind of gets them an idea of what your style is. So before they send out your Stitch Fix, they will send you an email and I can't remember how many items they'll send you, but they're like, you know, which of these items would you like to get? So then you pick 5 items from there and then that's what they'll send you. So I did really enjoy that. You kind of got to pick what, like out of the options they found for you, you kind of got to pick from those. But it was more of a surprise. So now the Freestyle option is where you can literally go on their site and pick out whatever you want. And the cool thing about it is there are so many different brands. So there are some super high-end brands, or there's brands that are a little more affordable. I really like how you can shop by category and you can pick like favorites under 50, dresses and jumpsuits, shorts, capris, casual tops, shoes, blouses, skirts, jeans. And then also if you go to like, at the top of the app, you can click on My Looks and it shows outfits that are trending for you. And it's just outfits that, like, according to your style quiz, it's outfits that you would like. And it'll go through and it shows you like full outfits, like shoes, bags, jewelry. It's so cool. And you can like go in and just pick like certain items, like kind of like that shirt. So I would click on that and then you can look at the sizes. You can see it comes in different colors. Really like the Freestyle option. That was one thing I did not realize they had. I thought it was strictly just like a stylist picks out the clothes for you and sends it to you. So I had a lot of fun shopping with this Freestyle part. I got 5 items to show for you guys. And I did get one jewelry item and a pair of shoes. So I'm really excited to dig in and show you guys. I will say they did give me a link if you guys are interested in checking it out. If you go on and fill out, you just make like a little profile and fill out the style quiz, you can get $20 off your first Fix. The really cool thing, which I really liked, and I took advantage of it the last time I got a box, was if you keep all 5 items, you get 25% off. That is like a huge discount. So even if I only liked a couple items, like it would be cheaper in the long run to just get them all, because then you get that really big discount. And you always get free shipping. If you don't like the items, they give you the packaging and all you do is just take it to your post office and mail it right off. You don't have to pay for anything. I really like the whole Stitch Fix thing. Definitely, I really like how you have a stylist that can help you out, because I feel like it just keeps my closet like up to date, keeps it on trend, and I love having those new items. And just, I'm a mom of 3, so I don't have a whole lot of time to go out shopping, so I really like how I can do this all online. All right, so let's dig in and see what I picked out. For some reason it got sent in 2 separate packages, and I will say like the Freestyle gets sent in a different packaging. I don't know if they changed it all, but the last 2 I got were actually boxes, and this is just like a bag. It says Stitch Fix Freestyle. So this has 1 item in it and it kind of worked out good. Like this item that I picked out was actually a clearance item, so I think that's why it got sent separately. But this one was kind of random compared to the other one, so I'm kind of glad it's in this box or in this bag, so I can just kind of show you guys right off the bat. All right, if I forgot anything, definitely go check out the description box. I'll have everything linked down there. You can go check it out yourself. So yeah, let's dig in. So this is a super cute top. This is from Under Armour, and the reason it was on clearance is because it's long sleeve and it's definitely starting to heat up. So I think they're just trying to get rid of their more like fall wintry stuff. But this is actually a really nice like lightweight shirt. I just thought this would be nice to wear to the gym. Just like a nice little lightweight, you could wear it over a sports bra. And then on the back it just says Under Armour. I think this is really cute. And I can't even tell you what the color is. It's kind of like I thought it was white, but it's more like an off-white, like gray kind of color. but it's really cute and I really, really like how lightweight it is. I'm gonna have to look up on my phone because I want to tell you guys the prices of this one. This one I do remember it was on clearance for $29 and I think it was originally $50. All right, so this is the big bag. This has 4 items in it. So let's dig in. We're gonna open the shoes last. So this is a really cute top. So this is what this looks like. It's kind of a pinky color and it's got like floral on it, and that is what the front looks like, and then the back, it's kind of wrinkly. This is from Market and Spruce. I had never heard of this brand, but I got a couple other shirts from them on my last box and I really like it. It's like really good quality. And this shirt was $38. I think this is so super cute. You can pair it with jeans or you could wear it with shorts. It's like you could either dress it up or kind of dress it down. All right, let's dig into the jewelry item. So it came in this little box. Oh my gosh, it looks so dainty. It's so cute. So this says Jill Michael jewelry in collaboration with Stitch Fix. Okay, so I've never heard of Jill Michael jewelry before, but it looked super cute. And this was $36. And I liked it because it was 2 separate necklaces. So I figured I'm not sure if they're connected, but I figured I could wear them together or separate, or actually I think they might be together. But it's super cute. Oh dear. It's a little tangled. Give me a minute. Oh my gosh, this is... I feel like I'm getting somewhere though. Oh, I think we got it. Oh. This is what I was worried about. I was worried about this when I ordered it, because you know how these layered necklaces are. That took a good 5 minutes for me to get that untangled. I was really nervous about this happening. I took a chance thinking maybe they weren't like all connected, but they definitely are all connected. But it's super pretty once you get it on. So that's what that looks like. It has the three different necklaces and they're connected in the back. It looks really pretty once it's on, but I'm just so nervous that it's gonna get tangled every time I wear it. But it's super pretty. We're just gonna keep that on. So the next item in here, this is a dress that I picked out. And oh my gosh, it's so soft. So this looks like it came on like a piece of cardboard or something. So that's good. It shouldn't be wrinkled. Although I don't think that this material would really wrinkle. Oh my gosh, this looks adorable. That looks so cute. Look at the back. That is super cute. Does it have pockets? No, okay. It looked like it had pockets for a minute there. This is so cute. What is the brand on this? The General Good. I've never heard of it. I've never heard of most of these brands. This dress is $48 and oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's got a nice little like summery, springy pattern and I just love the yellow. Looks like it's gonna be a good length, hopefully. Not too short, not too long. And then I got the shoes, pretty much got the shoes to go with the dress, but these shoes will go with anything. So the shoes came in a little bag like this, which is nice because I'm assuming like maybe people have tried these on before. I don't know how that works. So, oh, these are really cute. So this is how they come packaged. They don't look like they've been worn outside or anything. So, and they had a bunch of different colors for these shoes. I don't know why I got this color. It's almost like a light pink. But I thought that this would go really good with the dress. This would actually go good with the shirt as well. But I don't know, I just thought these were so cute. I love shoes with bows on them. It's kind of like a tortoise buckle right there. That's really cute. I hope these fit. And they look to be like they're decent like padding, so I feel like they'll be comfortable. All right, you guys, I am filming with my phone now because I just tried everything on. I love everything. This dress, my only complaint is that I wish that it was adjustable because it's a little bit big. The straps are a little bit big. Like I might cut these straps and like tighten them a little bit, but that is my only complaint about all of the stuff. I am obsessed with everything. I think everything is so cute. I will not be sending anything back. I love everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in Stitch Fix, definitely check out my description box and I'll have some info down there for you guys, and if you guys want to get a little bit of a discount, I do have an affiliate code with them, so go ahead and check that out. But thank you guys all so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button, and we'll see you all next time. Bye. This is so cute. I feel like a kid.